How to go live without 1,000 plus followers on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 plus followers. So let's get into it. If I take you to my profile right now, you will be able to see that I do not have 1,000 plus followers, but I want to go live and we cannot do that on TikTok. So I'll show you how you can actually go live. So what you guys have to do is simply go to your profile right here, and then what I want you to do is click on these three lines at the top right corner. You will click on settings and privacy and it will take you right here. So in settings and privacy, you have all of these different options. What you need to do is scroll down all the way to report a problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to report a problem to TikTok and we will be able to solve it and go live. So here we are, and what you guys need to do is you will simply scroll down to live right here. You can see we have topics and we have live. So I'm going to select this topic right here. So we have these topics. Now you can see live is suspended. I can start a live and other options. So I'm going to select the second one. Now we're going to say no, need more help. And then we have tell us about your feedback. So I'm going to say I cannot start a live and we have to enter our username. So make sure to add your username right here in your feedback, and you can also add a video or a photo as a evidence and click on report. So once you click on report, TikTok will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved. I hope that I was a big help to you and this tutorial will work for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.